Hey guys, this is Monster Jam Top Dog, and this is the field trucks for Science Series 1288. Here we go. King James TV, you're in Stone Crusher. I'm in Higher Education. Hot Wheels. Jackson Davis. No. Chocolate Jive if you're in the Grand Grave Digger, and Jackson Davis, you're in Galaxy Dragon. The rest of the trucks you can choose from: Black Grave Digger, Iron Warrior, Steel Striker, Avenger, Maximum Destruction, Jurassic Attack, Thunder 4x4, Orange Grave Digger, Mastermind Chunker Dog, Chrome Grave Digger, Storm Damage, California, Monster Rocketers, Misty Machine, Surf Zombie, Backdraft, US Air Force Afterburner, McDonald's MXD, Spider-Man, Spin Master Higher Education, Amazon Shock Therapy, Time Flies, Zombie, Big Kahuna, Man of Steel, Galaxy Zombie, Medusa, Red MXD, Rage, Brutus, Bone Shaker, Silver Series Dragon, Batman Shots Fast, Natural Hornet, Michigan Ice Monster, Indiana Police, Pirate's Curse, Bounty Hunter, Backwards Bob, Virginia Giant, Destroyer, Iron Outlaw, Mindblower, Monster Mutt, Black Stallion, Kraken, Cletus, Aftershock, Eradicator, Alien Invasion Ice, Crustacean, Surf Octanator, Vampire Eclipse Small Goyer, Horsepower, Boogie Scarlet Bandit, Gears Alien Invasion, Blue Thunder, Prowler, and Wildfire. That's it. See you guys later. Bye.